Alright, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to complete an eye, how to draw an eye with detail. I'm only just going to show you one, and then you would just draw the reflection to put in the pair of eyes. And if you watched the face video, how to put the face together, you'll find out that one whole eye will fit between a pair of eyes. So you want to make sure you don't put the eyes too close together when you go to draw that second eye. Make sure that you leave a space for a whole nother eye. All right, and we want to start with a horizontal line so that we have a nice straight place to work on. And I'm going to draw this big so that you can see the detail. So this whole thing is going to end up being my eye. And I'm working from the eye packet from class. And the average eyes are the ones that I am looking at. And we want to start with that eye opening. And we see that the tear duct sits on that horizontal line, and then the bottom of the eye opening just barely comes down below our straight line. The corner of the eye sits above the horizontal line. Okay. And then this is going to be the tear duct. All of this space represents the tear duct, and I don't need it right now, so I'm just kind of taking it off. And what is left is the white of the eye, the sclera. And I want to, in order to place my iris, that's the part of your eye that gives your eye its color, in order to place that, we need to divide the eye into 4 equal parts. And so I'm going to find the middle, and then I'm going to divide each half in half to get my about 4 equal parts. And my iris is a circle. Circles are hard to draw. And you could use a compass to draw in the circle. But for the eyes that we're drawing, his eye opening covers the top and bottom of the iris. Okay, all we need are the sides of this circle. Okay, and so then we can go back and erase the top of the iris that's being covered by the top of the eye opening, or by the top eyelid, and then go ahead and erase the bottom of the eye. Okay, so all we're left with is the sides of the iris. Okay, then we want to place our pupil. So if this is the middle of our eye, we want our pupil to sit in the middle. You want to make sure you don't draw the pupil too tiny or too large. Okay, so we want a good sized pupil, and then we want to put in our highlights. And then we've got a highlight down here along the eye opening. All right, we're going to make sure that when we're shading that we leave those spots completely alone. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my shading pencils. So I'm going to start with my 2B, and I'm just going to do a nice even foundation on the iris. Okay, just using the side of my pencil, add some nice even blending. Okay, shading around that highlight. Okay, making it nice and even.